You want some more of this, bitch? Back in the easy. We could do this all year long.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only lover.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
One night a week, my mom likes to cook me supper.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
And Michael Keaton was my favorite Batman. I was walking down the street just the other day. I saw these two fine bitches, they were walking my way. Yo, what you girls doing tonight is what I wanted to say. But suddenly I panicked, my voice started to shake. So I put my head down and I just walked away. I had a bus to catch anyway, it worked out great. Got on the bus, put my headphones on and pressed play. Sheryl Crow, James Blunt, a motherfucking Ace of Base. Yo, what can I say? It's just a day in my life. I'm up early in the morning, in bed early at night. To be productive at work, I gotta be well rested. Yeah, motherfucker, you heard what I just
I'm
said.
just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I don't like margarine, I much prefer the taste of butter.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
My favorite movies as a kid was Superman and Ghostbusters.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I have a hard time opening my eyes underwater.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
And I'm not a huge Nicolas Cage fan. I'm from a lower middle class family. Me and my brothers and sisters played hide and seek. I have good memories from my childhood, bitch. My favorite toy was my fucking fire truck, bitch. I used to play with that motherfucker all day long until I learned about sex from the Sears catalog. And then I played with my motherfucker all day long. About 10 times a day, man, all year long. My favorite song, motherfucker, I don't like to admit it, is a Celine Dion song from the movie Titanic.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Every time I hear that fucking shit, a tear comes to my eye. Why the fuck did Leonardo DiCaprio have to die? No, I'm not afraid to say that I'm a sensitive guy. Sticks and stones break my bones, but it's the words that make me cry. Like that time in grade 3 when a girl called me stupid face. She really hurt me. Why'd she call me stupid face? Is my face stupid? How's that even possible? A person can be stupid, but a face, that's impossible. Shit happens all the time and you learn how to deal with it. Regular, everyday, normal fucking bullshit.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
When I get into a fight, I usually leave on a stretcher.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
When I got nothing to say, I usually talk about the weather.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I like the first Back to the Future, but the second one was better.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I like red peppers better than the green ones.
Ooh, saving up my money to go buy a new dishwasher. Mine broke about 6 months ago. Motherfucker.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. Go party like it's your birthday. I wasn't invited, but it's okay. I'll just stay at home and play some video games.
Fucking got caught on a rock, it landed right between my fucking front wheels and it just wouldn't move.
Huh?
You let it go off or?
Well, when it gets hot, it shoots it out the bottom, the steam. So I don't think it's hurting it.
Fucking hot.
Hey, it'd help if you had an aired up tire there, guy.
How do you traction?
It looks like it's flat.
Is it that low?
It looks pretty flat.
Might be the way it's sitting, but it looks a little low.
What's wrong?
It might have it flat. Fuck. Is it? It looks flat. It's folding over here.
Oh, really? It'll roll. Just go slow on the shit. Don't go crazy.
Yeah.
I'll roll with no air pressure sometimes if I have to.
Does anybody have a compressor?
I think Chain's got a Milwaukee back there. They got one up there.
Take the bass line out. Jiggle. Yeah. Let it bump though. Driving some of the hottest cars New Yorkers ever seen. For dropping some of the hottest verses rappers ever heard. For the dope spot with the smoke block, thinking the murder scene. You know me well from nightmares of a lonely cell. My only hell was since when y'all niggas know me to fail. Fuck nah, we all my niggas with the rubber grips or shots. And if you with me, mama, rubber your tits and whatnot. I'm from the school of the hard knocks. We must not let outsiders violate our blocks. And my plot is stick up the world and split it 50-50. Let's take the dough and stay real jiggy. Let's sip the Chris and get pissy. Flow infinitely like the memory of my nigga Biggie. Baby, you know it's hell when I come through. The life and times of Sean Carter, nigga, volume 2. Y'all niggas get ready. Flow for those drilled out. All my niggas locked down in a 10x4, controlling the house. We live in hard knocks. We don't take over, we ball blocks. Burn them down and you can have it back, daddy. I'd rather that. I flow for chicks wishing they ain't have to strip to pay tuition. I see your vision, mama. I put my money on the long shots. All my ballers that's born the clock. No one will be on top, whether I perform or not. I went from lukewarm to hot. Sleeping on futons and cots, the king size. Green machines, the green fives, the scene pies. Let the thing between my eyes analyze life's ills. Then I put it down tight real. I'm tight grill with the phony rappers. Y'all might feel we homies. I'm like still, y'all don't know me. Shit, I'm tight grill. When my situation ain't improving, I'm trying to murder everything moving. Feel me? Gotta eat, stay on my toes. Got a lot of beef, so logically, I pray on my foes. Hustler's still inside of me. And as far as progress, you be hard pressed to find another rapper hot as me. I gave you prophecy in my first joint, you're all lamed out. Didn't really appreciate it till the second one came out. So I stretched the game out, etched your name out, put Jigger on top. Drop albums non-stop for you, nigga.
Not just what? Good? Yeah. I would have made it if I didn't kill it.
Thanks, Mark. Yeah.
This nightmare I've been dreaming of for so long. It's burned a hole in my head so large a fish can fit through, and it's my death for now. Right. So build me up so you can tear me down like a broken truck. My wheels ain't moving around, so set me free. Let me go be on my own. Sleep cautiously for now. I never wanted to play your game. I'm not quite sure though if you feel the same. Right. You hold on me, too strong to break away from. I feel too weak to stand and run, but I can see with the fog in front of my eyes. Step carefully for now, and when it's time to be the one, we'll meet up somewhere, knowing every day you bring me down. I try to run but keep falling down. It's my time to move from this place out of line, moving into all my space, but now I see everything you do holds me down. I am free for now, and when it's all said and done, we've seen some times, yeah, we've had our fun, and though the good shadows bad, you're still the worst thing I've ever had.
Just right.
Fucking mint.
Perfect for you, babe.
Huh?
Perfect.
Yeah.
There is a huge hole on the other side of that hill.
Oh, is there?
Yes.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah.
It fucking dropped.
Yeah, we'll
Oh,
go that. We'll
way.
go that way.
Bitches know that I'm in, I'm thuggin', I'm still in in the street. If he run up, I out in the league, clean the block and repeat. It get hot, throw that bitch in the creek, hit the spot, it's 100 a piece. I went flawless, my team diamond, boy, this shit wet as a saint. That boy dumb to the bitch, if he reach, I'ma go to the D. Let's be real, Stevie Wonder conceited, I'm having this shit and I'm free. Labels call every week, I can't sign, I got cases to beat. Plus I touch 80K every week, ain't gon' lie, this shit sweet. Let it whip if he step on my feet, on my son, you should slide every week. Ever shot out a Jeep with no dust so them niggas can see who it was, just to see if they street. Don't get put on the T, on the net, tryna act like a gangster, I got enough bread for the fee. Bitch, you know I'm a G, I got killers, come straight out the east, they pull up on a horse with a ski. Bitch, I'm fucking for free, don't you dare say the pussy a V, cause you bound to get left in the street. I make 10 off the feet and I ain't touched the bow in some weeks, but I know we're OG for the G. Cross the line, but I tweet, gotta know I ain't going for nothing. You think that I'm can't come and see. Running my spot, let it whip.